Welcome dear friends with the same passion and the same ideals, the trips. In this video we find an Italian coastal town that we liked, and we recommend that you visit it too, Monopoli. Monopoli is one of the must-see places on your holiday in Puglia. It is located 30 kilometers from Bari along the Adriatic coast. We first explore the bay for its amazing aerial views, then get lost in the streets of the old town. At the end, we return for a walk along the wall to see the beach area in more detail. The main attraction and one of the most beautiful beaches in Monopoli is Cala Porra Vecchia, located on the southern edge of the old town in a small bay with a stunning background, the ideal place to relax under the sun's rays. This city of medieval origin has always linked its identity to the sea. The ancient walls were built against enemy attacks from the water. The main piece is the 16th century fortress located near the old port, built by Emperor Charles IX. As a tourist, you can visit Castello di Carlo and enjoy the breathtaking views of the old harbor and the beautiful waters of the Mediterranean. Today, the city receives quite a number of tourists, but at the same time it feels very real and authentic. I am sure you will feel wonderful here. Apart from the gorgeous beach, Monopoli is a stunning and atmospheric maze of cobbled streets, tiny squares and old whitewashed buildings with green painted shutters on windows full of colorful flowers. Small terraces appear from place to place where you can rest and enjoy cold juice or a cappuccino. You can spend hours wandering aimlessly through this magical place and enjoy every minute. Immediately to the left is a small tunnel that reaches the old port. The old port, Porto Antico, offers a real feel, as much of it has not changed for centuries. You will also notice small red and blue boats that fishermen in the area have been using for many years. That was our visit to Monopoli, a place that gave us pleasant sensations and experiences. Keep watching the beach, and until next time, all the best.